All right, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Gonzalez. Today we're on board a 2023 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS, the South Beach edition. This one has the gray hull and the white interior, which is a pretty unique combination. It usually comes with the orange interior, but we decided to spec one out this way, and we all think it looks very sharp like this. So starting on the power for this boat, it's got the twin Mercury 600 V12s. It's a perfect power package for this boat, pushes the boat perfectly. And as we walk through, something unique to the 42, it has both beach platforms that open up to port and starboard. Gives you a ton of room for, when you're anchored at the sandbar. Big loungers back here. You could fit, 2 to 4 people very comfortably back here. You have your own dedicated cup holders. And then, of course, you could be in the shade when the sure shade extends out as well. And then moving through to the cockpit, this is kind of the main entertaining area in this boat. Big table, teak table here, so you could fit, 8 to 10 people through here very comfortably. And then here's the entertaining station. You have 2 twin refrigerators, trash can area, freshwater sink, full Kenyan electric grill. So, you could really do everything in regards to preparation for food and drinks right in this area. And then what's also nice is it's all AC in here. So, you're going to remain comfortable out here. And then TV stand, so you can watch the game when you're at the sandbar. And then, similar to all the other Cruisers models is, you have all of your electronics here. They come, well equipped from the factory. So you have your radar, twin screens, transducer, autopilot, joystick, basically everything that you need. It comes fully loaded. All of your redundant switching here for, your engine hatches, lighting, your windows, ignition, basically everything you need right here at the touch of your fingertips. And then moving down to the cabin. So a couple different configurations here. You have your microwave, refrigerator, TV. This is set up in the berth layout right now. This does have a teak table that pops up here, so you can use this as a dining area or just to hang out down here. And then back here you have a nice queen size bed that you can sleep 2 to 4 people very comfortably. And then right here you have your full stand-up shower and head, which is very nice, unique to, not a lot of 42-foot boats have that nice of a bathroom. Some additional bar stools here as well, so just some extra seating. Then moving up to the bow here, you see there's a ton of room for seating. You could fit 6 to 10 people up here very comfortably when you're anchored out or when you're running. You have a radio control up here, so you don't have to go back to the bow to adjust any music or volume settings. Storage underneath all of these seats as well. You can never have enough storage when you're out on the boat. And then you could do a couple different inserts up here as far as a teak table, and you could do a full sun pad cushion as well. And then you also have an option to do a full bow shade, so you can shade the entire boat if you'd like, or this could be the area to get some sun. And then you have your windlass controls here, and you also have some controls here at the helm. So if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us at MarineMax Miami, or you can call me directly. My number is 954-205-5744. Thank you.